Hi, I'm Scott Franklin, co-founder of Talentail. Many of you would know that one of the key ingredients in our premium pet food is Kakadu Plum, the Australian native superfood. Indigenous Australians, who are the oldest continuous civilization on Earth, have been using this fruit in their diets for thousands of years to help cure things such as skin disease and other illnesses. And we've learned from Indigenous Australians about the beneficial properties of Kakadu Plum in their diets, and have also learned about the beneficial properties of Kakadu Plum in pets' diets as well. Today, science has helped us understand the nutritional qualities of Kakadu Plum, such as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and even anti-cancer functions in human beings. Talentail is the first and only company to successfully incorporate this ingredient into our pet food, and we launched our first range of products in Australia in 2021. In July 2022, we proudly commenced a partnership with the University of Melbourne to open the door on further research into the effects of Kakadu Plum and its potential health benefits for pets. This study is focusing on antioxidant, anti-cancer, and anti-pathogenic aspects, helping us to understand the ways in which we can use this fruit to enhance the lives of our pets. Today, I'm grateful to have the opportunity to visit the University of Melbourne's Food and Nutritional Sciences Laboratory and to meet with Dr. Zhang, the leader of this research program. So let's go. Hi, Dr. Zhang. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Firstly, I'd like to thank you and your team for your help with this research program. But secondly, could you introduce yourself and your program to the audience in China?
Sure, of course. This is Dr. Panji Zhang from the School of Agriculture and Food, the University of Melbourne. I'm a food chemist by training. My research group studies the plant secondary metabolites that contribute to sensory attributes of food products and their influence on human health. We investigate the natural molecules that are present in food, their transformation during digestion and absorption process, and how they influence gut microbiota.
Talentail engaged my research group, and together we are currently working on the biological activities of Kakadu Plum as a functional food ingredient.
Based on our literature review, Kakadu Plum has antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-carcinogenic activities in vitro. In the first stage of this research project, we successfully developed extraction technique to produce Kakadu Plum extract with enhanced concentrations of specific phenolic compounds, such as carrageenan and chabulinic acid. Both compounds are quite unique to Kakadu Plum, and previous studies showed anti-carcinogenic activities of these two compounds in cellular models. In the Kakadu Plum extract developed from this study, the bioaccessible carrageenan and chabulinic acid is approximately 5 to 7 times of the raw fruit. In the next stage of research, we aim to investigate the changes of these compounds during digestion and how they can influence gut microbiota in pets, especially pathogenic bacteria. We plan to do animal trials to study how pet food formulated with Kakadu Plum influences animal health. It's important to note the IP generated from this research project belongs to Talentail as per research agreement. You will need to consult Talentail before you use any research data generated from this project.
Thank you, Dr. Zhang, for that information.
Thank you for supporting our research.
At Talentail, we are constantly striving to find new ways to achieve our mission of making pet care easier. We will continue to explore new possibilities of Australian native and natural ingredients. And we will always work with pet nutritionists, universities, and other research and testing laboratories to create products that meet or exceed the Australian pet industry's quality standards. That way you can be confident you are giving the best to your most loved companions.